What's good, people? My name is Kyo. I just finished watching episode 3 of Chainsawman. Loved it. Every single fight scene. To me anyway. Episode 3 is my all-time favorite of the series. The funny scenes, the fight scenes, the weird moments between Denji and the boobs of Power. It's just ridiculous. He keeps his eyes on the prize. Anyway, yeah, so love every bit of it. So I'm about to react to episode 4. I hope Power and Meow are still alive, because that would suck if they were permanently dead. I think Power still has a bigger role, so I don't think she's completely out. Makima, she's very calm. Like, I feel like there's something going on that I'm missing. I'm just missing. Yeah. But before I get started, I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for supporting it. And yeah, let's get started. All right, I'm gonna raise the volume up. Let's get into this. Very much hype for this episode. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. She's drinking from the neck, not even from the heart, not even from the chest, like from the thighs. Okay, we need the poo. Oh, you know you did. Oh god. Power is just raw. Like, she don't give a damn. She just takes you out. Is that all she feeds on? Just blood all the time? Must be. She's a devil. She's not dead. She's inside. Denji saved her. Let's go. Let's go, Denji. Denji's such a Chad. Because he wanted to fondle the boobs. Such a foolish reason. Nah, respect the hustle. Respect the hustle. Let's go. He did it. What happened? What? Oh, crap! What the hell's this crap? Why does it have hair, though? He lost his arm. Let's go. Huh? He lost too much power from the first fight. That's it. It's not looking good. Oh, he's about to stand and fight. Let's go. Yo, he has great reaction instinct. Whoa. For a cup of feel. Hey, boobs. Everyone's judging his dream. Is he gonna get triggered because of that? Yo, my boy's nuts! Let's go! Oh, he's lost it. His eyeball's gonna come out! Yo, this guy is on a mission. I like this. I like this a lot. Yo, Denji is like obsessed. Did he get her? No way! He got pierced. Huh? Aki. Oh my god. This is nuts. Wow. Oh, fixed. Damn, Aki came in clutch. Let's freaking go. She's nuts. Power is sus. But I think this is her last coup on the team. I think she really did want to just save the cat, but she should have said something to Denji. Whoa. That haircut looks like Sasuke from Naruto. Aki reminds me a lot of Sasuke. A lot, actually, a lot. Yeah, from the back especially. I like this anime a lot because not only it focuses greatly on the fights and the goriness, but it gives you the day-to-day routines that the character have. Like just at the start they had Denji and then you have Aki. It's pretty nice. I like that. It's like very peaceful feel. The art though is so cool. What's going on? What is she doing here? Makima. Oh, that looks good. He saves the carrot. Occasion flash. Eureka. Aki's gonna pop a blood vessel. No way. Re-squeezes. What? An angel. Man, I always thought Makima was the bomb, but you know what? You know what? Power is the bomb. Damn. What? I'm still shocked. Anyway, yeah, Makima is very sus in this one, and Power, I kind of knew Power had a bigger role, and it's awesome that now Power is inside of the same place as Aki and Denji. I think this is going to be awesome. Man, one of my favorites episode, probably my second favorite. Yeah, she sits right there looking like that. Listen. Wow. Yeah, probably my second favorite episode in the series. Love the fight scene, love the ending though. Yeah, loved every bit of it. I think the surprise in the fight scene, there were so many surprises, especially the part where Denji lost his arm, gets smacks, is about to go for the killing blow, and then the Fox Demon comes in to save him. That was crazy. Yeah, love the interaction. I think we're gonna get more interaction in the future between the three. And I love the fact that we're getting more Aki, less cold side. I'm telling you, man, I get this Sasuke vibe from him. Anyway, so yeah, love it to bits. And this is my raw reaction. Definitely highly recommend this anime. I will for sure watch episode 5 when it comes out. Thank you so much, everybody, for sticking till the very end. If you enjoy this reaction, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting. Thank you so much again. And yeah, hopefully I'll see y'all next time. Stay safe, everybody. Kyo out. God.